Hi, I'm Aneesh Singh. Welcome to my LifePage. Today I'll be talking about cafe management. And before that, let me give you a little brief about my past. I've studied in Dehradun in St. Joseph's Academy, passed out in 98. After that, I had a brief time where I did my bachelor's in computer application. And in 2001, I joined the Merchant Navy. I started sailing in 2001, and I was sailing on container ships and offshore vessels till 2017, April, when I took a break. I decided to start something different. I wanted to spend some time with the family, try some new things out, things I've been wanting to do for a while. So first up was the cafe. So we started with Cafe Monkey Fist, which is presently focusing on burgers and shakes. Now let me tell you a little bit about cafe management. Running a cafe is a mixture of a lot of things. I personally was always very interested in cooking food and serving it to my friends, and I used to enjoy that. So I just thought of using that information and experience that I had, and starting up a cafe. Cafe management involves a lot of things, starting from getting the raw material, processing it, preparing it, cooking it and serving it. And there's man management, as in the people working with you. There's management of the stores and provisions, making sure that all the things are in place and you don't run out of stuff when you need it the most. So that bit, yes. Managing the inventory of everything that we have, whether it's food items or disposable items, which we need to keep ready at all times. So it's also got a lot to do with managing the clients, the customers, and keeping them happy. Well, at the same time, not going overboard. Now I'll tell you about what education is required to enter a field like this. First is management.